What's going on? In this video I'm gonna give you an idea about the website, and after that we're gonna start doing some code, that if you think HTML is coding, of course. This website is kinda restaurant administrative website. It shows customers and orders. There is a header up here. This header contains two menu items for our instructional purposes. The body of the page consists of 3 sections. First one from the left shows a list of the customers. The next one shows the orders dates they had throughout their visits to the restaurant. The third one shows the orders details. This file contains our application website view. I can't neither call it a website nor an application, and there is no such thing called application website, but we can say web application. This is what I'm gonna use from now on. At the moment, I'm deleting all this. If we view the page now, nothing's gonna show. And it actually shows just a blank page. But if I type those couple of elements, it's gonna be what I want, provided that I create these components. This is what they are called in Angular. Let's create the header component and the orders too. Using the command line interface, type this command. It's gonna end by the name we give to the component, which is header in this case. And as I said, I wanna create one for the orders too. I can type G for generate and C for component. Let's open the header component to fill it with some goodies. This file describes how our component view we just created gonna look like. And it's just an HTML file. It's gonna be just an unordered list, but put inside a nav element. These list items contain non-functional hrefs just at the moment. Know that the A tags are implemented a little differently in Angular, and we're gonna show that in coming videos when we talk about roots. Let's style our header component. We go to a similar file, but of the type CSS. Surprise, here are the styles. Actually, we don't need to go through this. And this is a global styles file. You can see I can style the created Angular components too, and I can style anything in the global CSS style sheet. Preferably, of course, we style elements inside the components in their respective components CSS. If you manage to reuse the component somewhere else, you don't need to think that there are a couple of selector styles thrown somewhere else. Now let's take a look at the web application, hoping it's gonna look pretty. Yeah, it looks reasonable. This is the other component we created. I'm gonna look for it, remove its content. Now we're ready to go to the next video. I'm gonna show you what the hell are all these files. Just bear with me.